Now here, we are going to unfold it. Just so that you'll see, this is our guiding crease. And we are going to cut an ear for the horse this way. And for the mane of the horse, we are going to cut up here. Making sure that we don't cut the head off. So, here we go. We are going to cut the ear kind of rounded like this. Turn the unit over. And I like to cut this way, but I guess so that you can see what I'm doing, I'm cutting along this line, cutting up, so that it intersects this crease that we just made, but the cuts don't meet. If they meet, your head is cut off, and we don't want that. So, back to where we had these cuts, we are going to inside reverse fold this head along that original crease. Inside reverse fold. And the magic is the ears will fold up and the mane will fold out towards the back. Flatten and crease. And here is your horse.